Hey guys, in this video we're going to talk about how you can spot trade on Binance for beginners. But before we begin, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Alright, so let's get started. First of all, open any type of preferred browser on your PC and search for Binance.com. After that, sign into your account and you will be sent to the home page. Here, hover your cursor over the Trade tab at the top and then select Spot from the drop-down menu. Here, a chart will be displayed on your screen that will display the real-time prices of the crypto selected. Your selected cryptocurrency will be displayed at top left corner. Now, in order to change the currency, click on the search bar at top right corner and then search for the target one. After selecting one, the respective chart will start displaying. Now, if you scroll down a little bit, the trading section will appear. In order to sell your crypto, simply enter the crypto price, enter the amount, and the conversion amount in USDT will be displayed automatically. Once you are done with it, click on the buy button and the transaction will be confirmed. Similarly, you can fill in the same fields in order to sell that crypto. Note that this limit section allows you to set a pre-order, so when the preferred rate of crypto is reached, it will be bought automatically. If you navigate to the market section, you will be prompted to enter the amount of USDT you want to buy the equivalent crypto of. Once done, click on the buy button and the transaction will take place. That's how you can spot trade on Binance for beginners. So that's all for today's video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.